Days. Today we will be teaching you strategies for teaching English language learners.
Sheltered instruction is a great strategy to use with English language learners.
Sheltered instruction teaches content to ELL students by putting the words and concepts of the content into context to make the content more understandable.
Here are 3 sheltered instruction strategies that you can use in your classroom. Think, pair, share. Instead of asking questions to the whole class and calling on 2 or 3 students to respond, the teacher asks everyone to think of a response individually, share that response with a partner. Then, a few students share their response to the whole class.
Okay class, we just got done reading Penguin on Vacation. I want you to think individually about what the main idea of this book is. When you're done thinking individually, I want you to share it with your partner.
I think the main idea was the penguin and how much fun he had on the beach and all about his vacation.
That's what I thought too.
Okay class, we're going to bring it together. I want one of you to raise your hand and share with the whole class what you think the main idea is. Abby?
We think it was about how much fun he had on vacation and the vacation he took.
Yeah, great job.
Think, pair, share allows all students to have a chance to think and speak about a topic. It allows teachers to monitor student understanding of the content and language objectives during a lesson. Rather than speaking to the whole class, talking with a partner allows English language learners to practice speaking in a comfortable situation. The next strategy is chunk and chew.
The teacher pauses after every 10 minutes and directs students to talk with a partner or in a small group about what they have just learned.
You may like them, you will see, you may like them in a trade. Okay class, we're going to pause real quick, and I want you to think about this question. If you were to interview Dr. Seuss, what would you ask him about green eggs and ham? Just think about what we've heard so far in the story. Does anyone have any good thoughts? Yeah, Abby?
I would ask him if he's ever eaten green eggs and ham.
That's a good question. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on with the story.
It works because it makes new information easier to learn by chunking it into learnable, bite-sized pieces. It gives students a chance to talk using concepts and content from the lesson. This strategy allows English language learners to have structured opportunities to process and reflect on what they are learning. Another strategy is TV talk show.
Small groups plan a talk show on a topic with multiple parameters that they have studied.
One student is the interviewer and host, while the others are experts on a specific topic.
Hi, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be talking about the seasons. So, what do you like to do in your season and what is your season?
My season is the summer, and my favorite thing to do in the summer is to go to the pool with my friends and swim because it's usually nice and hot outside.
Awesome. Alright, so what is the weather like during the fall?
Well, I like the fall because it just starts getting chilly and you can finally start wearing your scarves and your big cozy sweatshirts. You can light a fire around the house and get warm, so that's why it's my favorite season.
Awesome. Alright, and then what season are you?
I'm winter. In the winter, it's very cold. A lot of time it snows in the winter.
Awesome.
Video recording of the show allows the teacher or the students to assess how well the students spoke, used key vocabulary, responded to host questions, and so forth.
English language learners are able to write down and script their lines beforehand, allowing them to focus on practicing speaking in English.